Whoa. That's what happens when you live in the ghetto. Alrighty. Damn. Alright. Look at that. Oh, it's facing down. Brand new. So, how the fuck do I take this out? That shit got a lot of padding on here. What the hell? Damn, that looks small, dude. Got the headrest. Man, what if they're not for my car? Alright, where's the blade though? Yo, a lot of work, man. I think I could just, I don't even need this actually. Whoa. Pop it. Good old Santa Ana, baby. ¿Sí? ¿Tiene qué? Oh, fuck. Man, these are nice. Look at that. Corbeau. I think that's how you say it. Damn, these shit look, wow. First impressions. Aggressive. But my favorite part is, let's see if you could do it on here. There you go. That you can recline. That's my favorite part about these Corbeau. There's a GTS 2 seats. My Z's not a full race car, so. This is for the lumbar. You see that? I think, how do you take the pressure out? Yeah. For your lower back. It's cool, look, it has like the little, come out here, the little, like a little pocket. So that's cool. It's a mess. Look at this. They're like falling apart, dude. Crazy, all this crap on there. Got some almond action. Oh, gotta be careful. Damn. Nice. I don't know what that's for. Damn. Alright, so we got the old one. You can see it here. It's pretty worn out. Fuck. This is the original. 85. And so, got the lumbar here for this one. So, this as well. You can see this one, the GTS 2, has a little rear pocket. Way more aggressive bolstering on the side, especially when I take hard turns. And then this was bugging me the most. You can see it was already open, so every time I would get in the car, I would hurt my ribs. Yeah, so no more of that. We're gonna use the Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. Chemical guys, hit your boy up for that sponsorship money, baby. Fuck. Look at that. Look at all this old stuff. This old stuff. Look at that. Bam. Wham, bam. Thank you, man. Look at that shit's dirty. It's like, what, 35 years old? 35 years worth of crap. Until it came into my hands. And it's not as crappy. Alright. Shit. We should have gotten Cars and Coffee, bro. Get all that dirt. I don't think I haven't cleaned this in years, bro. Years. Just wiping away all that dirt. Crazy. All right, pretty much vacuumed this. Look at that. Looks like it just came out of the factory. All right, we're gonna install a seat bracket now. We got the seat brackets. Let's go. Damn, fireworks. All right. They're happy, we're happy. Look at that. Nissan 300ZX Z31. Driver's side. I think that's what that stands for. Right? It'll go like this, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try it. Because I think this is what you were saying, where the seatbelt goes. Seatbelt buckle, I should say. Let's see. Should we put the seat on first? Let's just do a little test fit. Huh. Interesting. Let me just make sure it'll fit. Better be safe than sorry. Alright, one went in. Let's try this one. You see, look, it's not going in. Gotta be, I guess this has this particular way of going in, I guess. Damn, I don't want to strip that. Super high. I mean, it feels good. Don't get me wrong, it feels good, but I don't know, if I take it to the track, there's no way. My head, I have no clearance in my head. None at all. I don't know. And I said, man, I feel like I'm driving a semi-truck. I mean, I can see a lot. Well, yeah, mixed emotions. Alright, update guys. I didn't really like how I was sitting. I was sitting too high. So we decided to take off the slider. You can see here, and we're just gonna mount the seat directly onto the base. So now it's gonna be a fixed seating position, which is, you know, fine by me. I'm the only one that drives the Z, so. And then for the passenger side, we'll just install the regular slider onto the seat, and then we'll go from there. Keep you posted. So here's what we did, guys. We took off that slider and we mounted directly onto the seat bracket. So this is just grease from that, but yeah, tried it on right now for a little mock-up fit. It looked good. We'll do the final install right now. can move it, so that's fine. Moment of truth. All right, let's see. Okay. I will say these are way lighter. Okay. Dang. Okay. Let's put the hardest one in here. Okay. That's funny. Let's see. Recline. How do we tighten them up? This is like what? Like an inch higher on this side. That's funny. What the hell is that? This one es el que está como like barrido. Alright, now we gotta find something to do with this crap. I got some seats laying around. Man, this thing looks sick though. Aggressive. Aggressive. I don't know, man. Look at this. It looks like a big ass. I don't know how I feel about that. But I mean, it looks good regardless. Gives it something different. The biggest pro I see is that they can recline. Alright guys. This is the one that has the rail. This one we mounted fixed seating position just because I'm too tall. But you can see, look, I can hit one big ass bump. Psh, it's over. Plus, if I wanted to go to the track, there's no way my helmet would fit. So, if you're tall like me, yeah, you might want to have a fixed seating position and remove the rail. But if you're short, like my brother over there, it might be good. Damn, I'm tired, bro. But yeah, pretty much it. I think we're done, right? Cameraman says yes. All right, we're signing off. Peace.